Welcome to trading session number 4. We're going to be going over some stuff here. The Fed, Jerome Powell spoke today, and then we're also going to go into our article that we found that we of the Cybertruck. So let's dive into, as you can see, we're looking at the S&P right now, and that is the 6-month 4-hour chart. As you can see on the 1 minute, 1 day, you could see that that SPY is actually, it spiked from the Jerome Powell speaking today about rates, and we'll dive into that article right now. So let's bring that over here from my other screen. So Fed Chair Powell calls talk of cutting rates premature and says more hikes could happen. Spoke today. Jerome Powell pushed back, and he doesn't want to really force cutting rates so soon. So as you can see, Friday pushed back on market expectations for aggressive interest rate cuts ahead, calling it too early to declare victory over inflation. So he thinks it's too early, even though inflation is coming down. It is still too early, and right here, despite a string of positive indicators recently regarding prices, the central bank leader said that the Federal Open Market Committee plans on keeping policy restrictive until policymakers are convinced that inflation is heading solidly back to 2%. So that's their goal, 2%. This is pretty much the reaction today in the market. You can see right here, markets moved higher, as you saw just now on my screen. Today, markets moved higher following Powell's remarks, with major average positive on Wall Street and Treasury yields sharply lower. And that's a big thing too, is yields coming down as well. Jeffrey Roach, market views today, comments as inching toward the dovish camp. Expectations that the Fed is done raising rates and will move to an easy posture in 2024 have helped underpin a strong Wall Street rally that has sent the Dow Jones Industrial Average up more than 8% over the past month to a new 2023 high. So that is the CNBC article. That's where we get all our news, is CNBC. I will post this in the description below if you wanted to check that out. And we also want to dive into the Elon Musk Cybertruck here. So let's dive into that, get that out of the way. So yesterday he had, an event for the Cybertruck. So he hypes the Tesla Cybertruck at Deliveries event in Austin. So you can see here, that's him right here. That was actually before, that was an event before, but where they actually tried to throw stuff out the window and it actually broke. But apparently yesterday's event went much better. So right here, Tesla CEO Elon Musk took the stage to reveal details about the company's news and unconventional Cybertruck pickup on Thursday in Austin, Texas, one day after he appeared in a bizarre interview. That one interview where he told his advertisers to go, F themselves. At that earlier event, Musk boasted it will be the biggest product launch of anything by far on Earth this year. So that is going to be, that's a heavy statement. That is a very heavy statement. Musk said that the Cybertruck hard steel body was bulletproof and that its windows were rockproof. He said it could tow over 11,000 pounds, accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds, and it features a super tough composite bed and that is 6 feet long and 4 feet wide. Let's see about the price here, guys. I think I saw it on this article right here. So according to Tesla's website, the company will sell its base model rear-wheel drive version of the Cybertruck for an estimated $60,990 and a Cyber Beast version of Version 4, 99,990. So you have options with the all-wheel drive version priced at 79, so around 80,000. Deliveries to customers will start for the all-wheel drive version and Cyberbeast in 2024, and the site says for the base model in 2025. So I will leave this article in the description below as well. So that is our articles. Let's bring that over to our other screen here, and let's dive into the portfolio, guys. So I said yesterday we were going to deposit $3,000. We did. That was at $3,200 yesterday. Now it's at $6,300 today. So $3,000 in the portfolio, as you can see right here. The cash balance, $3,104.31. And we're hoping to keep doing that, guys. That's my my personal money to grow this brand. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try and keep doing that to grow this brand throughout 2024. So let's keep doing our. Let's keep going with our account, guys. So as you can see, our account is at 3,196 market value. We just unloaded a bunch of cash. So let's dive into. I really want to see what Tesla's at. We're seeing the SPY. Right now, it skyrocketed right here. Not skyrocketed, I shouldn't say skyrocketed, but it popped pretty much since the Jerome Powell news today. So let's dive in, see what the market is doing. As you can see, a lot of stocks are popping from the news, but some aren't. So, Netflix, worst performing stock today in the portfolio, that is down 1.94%. That is close to 2%. And we got Microsoft 1.3, Tesla 1.2. So and then we also have Walmart, Meta, Google, Starbucks, and Disney that are down on the day. So let's go check out. We're going to switch the chart, 6 month, 4 hour. And then we're going to go to Netflix. So as you can see, close to oversold value at 33.5. That is, you could see, most of these stocks pop from, pretty much on hopes that the Fed would cut rates. But now you can see that it is dropping because of Jerome Powell not wanting to cut rates so soon. So we're going to keep looking at this 44 Microsoft RSI, Tesla 45. Let's switch this song. If you're not, I think it's Epidemic Music, Epidemic Sound. I use it for all my background music. So if you guys want to have background music, a little plug for Epidemic Music. All right, so now where were we? Tesla 46. So that's not enough, guys. We want Tesla to keep coming down to snag it at a deal. But I think I want to see the one day, see how it reacted with the Cybertruck. So as you can see, it reacted pretty well. Now it's kind of selling off a little bit. You can see the 50-day crossing the 200-day there, and it reacted pretty well, but now you can see that people are trying probably to lock in profits there. So that is the Tesla one day. I forgot to show you guys that after the Elon Musk news, but let's keep going with what we want to buy, guys. So 37 for Meta, Google at 39. That actually looks pretty good. I like how it's under the 200-day, presenting a deal. 30 RSI for Google, guys. That is looking good to me right now. Starbucks 26. Starbucks is looking good too, but we just bought this week, so I think we will pass on that today. And then Disney at RSI of 40. So I think, look at Netflix again. I think it's gonna be Netflix or Google. And now what we do is we go over here and look at our positions. So Google, we have a market value 172.27, open P&L of $42, up 32%. 131 is the price, and we have an average price of 99. What is Netflix? Where is Netflix at here? Here it is right here, two below. So we got 335 average price, and it's selling for $466. So man, with the market value on Netflix 118, and Google's at 172. You know, I really want to go with Google, but we already have a lot in Google right now. We're gonna go with Netflix, guys. So let's go buy some Netflix right now. All right, so let's lock in this buy here. All right, I should get a notification on my phone. I did. We bought it at $466.25, guys. $10 worth. So that is our buy for the day. Now it is popping the market. Let's see what we want to sell. But wow, look at that Airbnb popping. We have $22 in Airbnb, or sorry, $22 profit in Airbnb. That could be a sell, reach the 70 RSI. A lot of stuff is reaching, oh wow. But, oh yeah, this is the one we talked about yesterday, but we don't have enough in Salesforce. It's popped so much that, you know, we're waiting for a deal, and it turned out to be the, you know, least market value stock in the portfolio. All right. Uber is at 69. So let's actually just do it from here. So Nvidia, we bought Nvidia yesterday. Meta is on the horizon for us to buy. Amazon, $65. It's at a 54 RSI. Tesla, we already cut last week. DraftKings, Apple, 57. All right, guys. So we're gonna just hold again. So we are not selling this week. It's a week to just hold. Yeah, we did, you know, sell off some last week. That was Tesla. It was $78 that we cut, and you know, it doesn't always happen. You know, we always, you know, research carefully, and we don't want to, you know, miss out on any gains as well. So we will see if we want to cut next week. But for now, that is pretty much it. You know, the Netflix buy, and then the Fed news and the Cybertruck news. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys have a great Friday, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Till next time, hit the outro.